Welcome to the Entrepreneur's Journey, where we teach educational business content that is easy to understand and apply. Sometimes we just can't make sense of why we are unable to make sales in our own business or generate enough revenue in our business to make a profit. And as the frustration grows, so does the desperation. But why not take the time to step back and work out what is it that you might be doing wrong in your business approach. Join me in unpacking the various business concepts and principles which, if applied to your business, will help your business grow from strength to strength. Let's start with taking a look at understanding our consumer a little better. Through this process, we will gain an improved knowledge of our community needs, business opportunity, and the importance of market research. Let's take a look at the foreign business story to gain a better understanding of these principles.
Yo.
Sanbonane, why you guys are so glum today?
I just don't understand why I'm not selling any of these things. Nobody wants our product.
Andile, why are you so surprised? It's hot in Durban. It's not like we're back at home where it's freezing during the day and it's freezing at night. Obviously, it's not going to sell.
Look, I promised my chummies this is gonna work. And they sell me in bulks with a low rate.
There's no point of a low rate if you're not going to make a sale. So, and guys,
Listen, we had a choice here. It's either we're going to start a business or we go to look for a job.
What are you guys actually selling here?
We are selling these handmade beautiful scarves and these beanies and some nice jackets over there, which is made by the quality wool and it's so beautiful. I just don't know what's going on.
Do you think this stuff is practical for Durban weather? It's bloody hot today.
Well, I don't know. How can I expect my customers to buy a scarf and a beanie while it's hot like this?
Exactly, guys. You've got to understand the needs of the community. Community need, any product or service that is needed in our community.
Okay, excuse me, ma'am. Sorry. Excuse. Would you please buy this? This jacket. Can you buy this jacket for me, please?
No, unfortunately not in this heat. It is not something I need right now. And besides, ever since I lost my job, I have no money to spend on clothes. I need to be wise and spend my money on food for my family.
I'm sensing a business opportunity here.
What is a business opportunity?
I think if we can understand the needs of the community and offer them a product or a service. Business opportunity. Any need in the community that we could fill by offering a product or providing a service.
Well, clearly nobody wants our products at this weather like this, basically. What would you buy? What's really can you spend your money on?
Well, I have 6 children at home, 2 of which belong to my brother. He has had to relocate to East London for a labor job. He sends money home regularly, but it is not enough to feed the mouths that I have at home. At this point, I need something that will bring me enough money to feed my family, not cost too much, and stores easily.
Wow, that is a really valuable information that you gave it to us.
thank you so much for your time. Yo, that's really, really appreciated.
Thank you. Go well.
You have a beautiful day, ma'am.
Andile, did you realize you just engaged in market research?
Interesting. What is market research?
Market research is when you start to understand the needs and the desires of your customers. Market research, learning the needs and desires of our customers so I can change my product or service to match them. There's many ways we can do market research. We can engage with our customers. We can send out surveys as we can understand the needs and tailor make a product that's best suited for your customers. So guys, what is your plan?
Well, I think for starters, we are definitely selling the wrong product.
Well, we need to change our product and the suppliers.
I definitely agree with you. I think we actually need to take and grab a hold of this new business opportunity and actually find out what our customers want so that we can create something that meets their needs. Well done, Andy, in actually asking all those questions, because I feel like now we're actually a step in the right direction.
Correct, guys. I think let's do a little bit more market research before you finalize your plans, because that really helped me in my business when I started up as well. Wow. I did a lot of marketing before I ventured out and started my business. Okay, guys, it's getting late. I must be on my way. It was awesome chatting to you guys. Take care and all the best. Eh?
Thank you so much, sir.
Cheers now.
You have a beautiful one.
Good to know. Andile and Asandiswe were struggling because they weren't selling the right kind of product according to their community needs. Let's take some time to reflect on the following questions. Grab a pen and a paper and join me in understanding these questions for yourself. Can you list 3 community needs that you have noted in your community? Do you think one of these needs can be turned into a business opportunity? List 3 types of market research that you think would be effective in your community. Take some time to think seriously about these questions and reflect on how these principles you have learned can apply to your own business. In our next video, we'll be unpacking what Andile and Asandiswe do in response to these new business principles they have learned, while we'll be unpacking the importance of defining your target market and the product you're selling and why this is so important.